Dumpster rental service in Grove City, Ohio. Looking for a fast and affordable dumpster rental service in Grove City, Ohio? Look no further than Hapybox. We provide reliable dumpster rentals for homeowners, contractors, and businesses throughout Grove City. No matter the size of your cleanup project, we have the correct dumpster to make it easier. From home renovations to landscaping debris, we help you keep your space clear and organized. At Hapybox, renting a dumpster should be simple. That's why we've created a quick, transparent, and stress-free process. You choose your dumpster, and we handle the delivery and pickup. Our dumpsters are clean, driveway-friendly, and available in various sizes. You'll never be left guessing about the costs. Our pricing is clear and straightforward. We proudly serve Grove City with top-tier service and a friendly, local team. You can count on us to be on time and ready to help whenever you need us. Whether planning a major renovation or cleaning the garage, Hapybox supports your project from start to finish. Our flexible rental periods give you the time you need without any pressure. Call 614-414-6962 to rent your dumpster today. Hapybox is the name Grove City trusts for efficient, affordable dumpster rentals.